Everyone, welcome to this another tutorial. So welcome to my channel. So in this series of video we will learn how we can create design for our app. So we will create the Android drawer navigation for our Android apps. So as you can see in my screen, you can see that we have a navigation drawer and it's a menu to our navigation. So each of the item in our navigation menu is clickable, and whenever we click we can see that it will render or present corresponding page, or corresponding window. So each of these item has its own initialization process, and it will initialize corresponding window. So you can see each of these items is applicable. So if you are interested of how we can create this code design for our application, so be sure to watch this video completely, and don't forget to subscribe. Please be sure to subscribe and watch the this video up to the end. So until we finish this series of videos. So okay, so let's get started. So I now go to the open the ID. So if you have not downloaded this one, you can download. So, and we need to create a new project. So I will just click create new project, name the app. So I will name it my app drawer nav view nav menu. Okay, so the package will be say Narduski. So Narduski, and name my app. So I'll just create. Okay, create now. So let us just delete the elements. So let me just delete text, and what we are now going to do will be, the first thing we need to do is to add a dependency for our project. So just click add to project and choose the dependency that we want to add in our project. So I will just add the support app combat to my project. So click add to project, and then I will pick the com support design. I will add it to my project. The first time you will add a library to your project, you need an internet connection so you can download the library. So and once done, you can then now add it by this dialog. So the next will be, I will add the support version 4. So this one we will click this add. Okay, now to confirm that it is really added to our Gradle file, so you can see. Okay, so it is added to our Gradle file. Now the very important step that you need to do is to go to the resource values 21. Okay, you need to set the theme. You need to change this theme, and we have the theme. Okay, so we need to change this theme. We can change it to app compact lights and dark action bar. Okay, now once you already done that, be sure to change the theme to app combat light or dark action bar. So this in order to fully function the drawer navigation. Otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, so now after you have added, we need to get back to our main and add some I will add the view or the layout. So the first I will add the drawer layout. Okay, so now I need to change the width and height to match parent and the width to match parent. Okay, now so we need to get back to, so I will add an ID and I will leave it main drawer 1 and I will go to the source code. So now just add a closing tag. So okay, so there's an error. Just okay, yes. Right, so now inside of this drawer layout we can add, let me just add the what do you call this, so the Android that support navigation view, so support, and go to the design and then widget, let's support navigation view. Okay, navigation view. Okay, so then we need to set the width and layout for our navigation view. Okay, we use the designer, so I will navigate to widget navigation view and I will add an ID main navigation view 1. Then I will add okay, so layout width will be match parent for layout width, and layout height will be match parent. Okay, now after that we need to add okay, so let me just go to the source code. So I will add the layout gravity. Okay, so layout gravity will be start. You need to put pipeline left, so this will allow us to swipe from left, starting on the left. Okay, so you can swipe left to right. So now after that I will create a new layout. We go to layout and add nav header. Okay, we need to click OK. Now go to the nav header XML file and we need to add another linear layout. So I will go with layout linear vertical. This one will be in width, will be match parent. Okay, so now if I go to the source code, so you can see I will just add the closing tag to this linear layout. So okay, so going to do will be what we are going to do now to add elements inside of this layout. So I will add inside will be text. So now I will change the text for contact me via email. Contact me by email. Click OK. I will change the text size. So change the text size and style. So I'm going to change the text size to, let's say, 16. I'm gonna say put the style to normal, and I'm gonna go to text color. So you can go with text color. I go to text color and change this one to white, exactly as white. Okay. Now what we are going to do will be to add another view, and I will go to the source code. Inside of this linear layout, we can add the image view. So let us add the image view layout width. So I will just set the layout width. So width to rough content. Okay. I will also do the same for the layout height. Layout height will be rough content. Now foot and ID with this image. So I'm gonna foot and ID with this image, and now header image 1. I'm gonna leave it, but I will move this image at the top with the text elements. So I will cut this one and place it inside this one space. So he will go at the top. Now we place an ID. Now the next thing we are doing we need to copy some image. So I will just copy some image and put it and place it to our project. So I will go to the one of the project that I already completed. So I will copy this one. I will use this image, sample this one. I use that. I go and copy, or I will select this one. So I will click copy and go to the project, and I will paste to I will create a new folder, removable. Click OK and paste it here. Now get back to the IDE, and I will add an image. So click the image and go and find src. So src attributes, then select the image. I will select this one. So now we have now the image, and I will click this linear layout to assign a background color. So I will click color and I will select blue, for example. So I will click blue. Okay, so like that, and I will add another text inside of this linear layout. Okay, let me just add another text, or I'm gonna copy this one, copy this elements. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste. Okay, but I will change the text to I will use the designer instead. So I will just change the text to okay, so I will change it to ski gmail.com. Okay, like that. Okay, so now we have a cool design. Now what we are going to do, we need to include this design, so this layout, into the main XML file. So we need to go to the main XML file, and we need to include it, or we need to put it inside of the navigation view. So I will click, I will assign it to the attribute of and header layout. So will be equal to, and we will get it from the layout folder. So at layout, then the name will be nav header, nav header. Alright, that's the file name of our resource layout file. So nav header. Now it will throw us an error that will tell us unbound prefix. Now the way to fix it is to add this XML line. I'll just copy, so I will have to type it again. So I'll just copy, enter, paste. Now change this one to resource auto. Okay, change this one to off. Okay, so right there, and click save. Now we should already include the navigation header to our main layout. But one thing I need to do, I will go once more with this nav header and add a list view. Okay, so I will add inside and I will click the list view. So now I will assign an ID to this list view. Okay, so now we have C. Then we need to change the list view layout width to match parent, so like that, and click save. Then once we already done, so now let me just go to the main XML. So okay, I got the nav header once more. So we see list view height, and we can add attribute. So but right now we will leave it as it is. So now we can now run the projects. I will just post the video and I will come back as soon it will already installed. So now I'm back, so finish installing. So now if we swipe left, we can see that we have the image, but the list view could not be seen. Okay, so we did not see the list view, but we see the icon. So okay, so now let me just set the layout height to match parent. Okay, So that is for today, guys. In the next tutorial we will continue the other activities that we need to do. So right now we only have design, but in the next tutorial we will add so what we are going to do within the next tutorial will be we will add the entry for our list view. So be sure to follow me in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next tutorial.